Hey everybody, it's me again. I just wanted to show you another step that we do on all of our builds. This is the 139 builds that we're doing, and this is our process for cleaning cylinders. It's something that I think is very important. So one of the first things we do is this, you see the cylinders in the sink, and this is just a degreaser, an engine degreaser, and this is a brush that we've purchased from one of our warehouses for cylinder cleaning, and we just kind of spray it down like so, and then we'll just pick the cylinder up here, and then we'll just clean it like so. That gets all the grit out of the cylinders and everything like that. That's the degreaser breaking it down. And then once I get it broke down somewhat, then I just put some Dawn on it. That's warm water, and then I hot soapy water this. And I'll do this, a little bit longer than what I'm going to do here in this video to make sure, and then I'll wrench it and clean it again. Now, one of the other things that we do is we got the little brushes for the oil drains. Now, the Milwaukee 8s are especially crucial to do this because they're cross-drilled and they leave a little step right in the middle, so you want to make sure that you probe that oil return hole to make sure that you don't have no grit or anything in that. And then after that, you can see here we got the pistons laid out, the wrist pins, clips and everything. Everything is degreased. I hot soapy water it, hit it with a little brush in between the ring lands, and then gets everything. One of the things that a lot of people don't do is clean the rings. You got to keep in mind the rings are ground, so they will have like grinding dust on them from where they were finished, and also it's very crucial. And when I put this cylinder on, I'll rotate it over and I'll show you what you're looking for to assure you that you've had a clean cylinder. Thank you very much.